but I'm going to figure out how to put it on my helmet, and that's going to be the way it is. Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day. Well, I thought I'd give you an update on the GoPro mount on the Sportster this morning. Have you ever had an awesome idea? You designed and built it and it looks great, but it just doesn't really work? Yeah, me too. Had two different mounts on there. First I had a piece quick disconnect put on there like this, and this piece was mounted right there, and that was pretty convenient, pretty quick, pretty nice. But unfortunately I had a lot of vibration in the GoPro, and I hope you can see it, but right here at the end of my fingernail, see where it's wiggling back and forth? Now this piece was mounted to the motorcycle real solid, but that meant the GoPro just sat there and did this all the time. Well, that didn't work. So then I had a tripod mount, and I put that, I drilled a hole through my piece of steel here, square tubing, drilled a hole through there and put that on there, and this is sticky tape too, so that is on there absolutely totally dead solid. So then I mounted it like that. Now I got couple of really good shots like that. Well, I killed one camera. I don't know if it was defective or not. But anyway, I sent it back, and I got this one. This one worked just fine for a couple of days. Well, it kind of goofed up on me a little bit yesterday. So you know what? I'm not going to use a mount on the motorcycle at all. I just think that, especially a Harley, well, this isn't that rough, but you know, vibration, and we're up here above the shocks, above the front forks, so we get a lot of engine vibration and things like that right here, and I am not going to use a GoPro here anymore. That's a quick disconnect mounted to the helmet itself. So when the GoPro is not on there, it's pretty low profile. You can't even hardly see it's there. No, we'll try that in the next few days and give you some more update. Please subscribe, hit the bell to get notified every time I post a new video.